after much pressure from Conservatives, they finally agreed to ban the Bishnoi group, but too late. They let the Bishnoi gangsters into this country in the first place because they do not protect our borders, and their radical policies on immigration have endangered many of the very people who came here lawfully and legitimately. Mr. Speaker, if you look at these facts and you look at the numbers, you have no choice but to conclude that we have a liberal extortion emergency in this country, that people are living in terror. And it is a shame that Liberals have allowed this crisis to form and grow. It is a shame that the very communities who have vested support in the Liberal Party are now the ones who are paying the biggest price for the violence and carnage that Liberal policies now unleash. And so we as Conservatives state clearly that extortion is a crisis after 10 years of Liberals, that we need an emergency debate to address this extortion crisis, and that we must enact a serious plan to end the extortion so that Canadian small business owners can go back to living their lives, creating jobs, serving customers, making life affordable again to this country. Our plan is very clear. Mandatory jail time to lock up and throw away the key for extortionists. Stronger borders to keep and kick extortionists out of our country, and a clear self-defense law so that people can protect themselves in their homes when invaded by extortionists or other burglars. Mr. Speaker, this is an emergency. We have the answer. Let us restore safety, tranquility, and peace to our streets.